Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to enable end-to-end encryption in Instagram in this tutorial. Let's get started. End-to-end encryption is a security method that safeguards your communication by not giving access to others. Now to enable it, start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right. Open the chat of the person that you want to enable the end-to-end encryption of. Then tap on their username at the top. You will land on this page. Tap on Privacy and Safety. Tap on Use End-to-End Encryption. New chat section will be opened. You will see a message telling you that your call and messages are secured. Now you can start chatting. And that is how to enable end-to-end encryption. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.